Saturday morning. Well, actually, oh yeah, Saturday morning. We're in the blue Tesla. We're getting it washed. It is going on tomorrow. And this car is really filthy because it was snowing and everything. So, and then we stopped with the snow. It's been sunny, so it's like really stuck on there. So I think I will run it twice. Luckily, this is unlimited car wash. And then we'll vacuum and all that stuff. So let's get it prepped. And oh wow, it's busy. Car wash is busy. Alright, we may not have to run it twice because with the gun, they actually did it pretty well. Even though it's busy, so that's pretty good. But the car was really filthy. So cool. Now we'll just go back to the office, take pictures, and we will have the car ready for tomorrow. And then the gray Tesla goes out in the night, so that one we'll just wash tomorrow and do all that stuff. Nice. Looks like they gave me, there we go, I got it right there. They gave me some color. I only paid for the basic, so they probably did me a favor to do it and like, you know, get the dirt that's deep there out. So, I mean, I appreciate it, that's for sure. What level that is with the colors, that helped immensely. So we'll go to the office now and then take pictures, have it ready for tomorrow. And then that's a wrap for this video. And then this guy, so he's picking up tomorrow early in the morning, but he's dropping off later in the afternoon Monday. So he paid for 2 days, but it just seems like it's 1 day. But it is what it is, right? We trying to get as many bookings as possible. And yeah, so appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, like. Join me in this journey of seeing if Turo can make me money. Peace.